Introducing Brazilian fire tree, Chisolobium parahiba of the family Fabaceae. Brazilian fire tree is a mature tree with a straight trunk up to 40 meters tall and 80 centimeters wide. The leaves are bipinnate, a meter or more in length, with a green stem and 30 to 50 opposite pinnae, each with 40 to 60 leaflets, 2 to 3 centimeters long. They are clustered near the end of the branches and fall off completely in the dry season. Brazilian fire tree is widely used as an astringent. The tree is very fast growing and fixes atmospheric nitrogen. It is an excellent choice for restoring land to forest and for establishing woodland gardens. It is a promising agroforestry species. Intercropping is possible because of its light shade. It can be used as a shade tree in coffee plantations. The tree protects the surrounding from soil erosion. The enormous amount of biomass shed by the tree improves soil fertility. The flat, brown, hard, oval seeds are used to make buttons and beads. It is used for the insides of doors and panels, toys, soles of shoes, boxes, etc. It is also used for native huts, canoes, and cheap furniture. The wood can be used for fuel and to make charcoal.